A very good morning, dear students. Let us continue our chapter number 10, measurement. Today we will be doing the standard unit for the measurement of mass. The standard unit for the measurement of length we have done. Now in today's class we will be doing the standard unit to measure mass. What is the standard unit to measure mass? It is gram. Now the standard unit, they are not enough when we want to measure certain quantities, because certain quantities they are very larger and certain quantities they are very smaller. So we are having this units. In this also the prefix will be gram in every of the standard units. First is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Here kg, hg, dag, g, dg, cg and mg. Now whenever we are moving from left, this side it is left, this is the left side. Whenever we move from the left to the right side, what we have to do? Here if we are moving from the left to the right, we have to in each step we have to multiply with the 10. In each step we have to multiply it with the 10. Whenever we are moving in this direction, that is from the right to the left, then in each of the step we have to divide this with the 10. So let us do few questions in order to make you understand. The first is 25 kg. 25 kg. This 25 kg, I want to convert it into, if this kg, I want to convert it into, I have written here the unit. So for your convenience at the rough hand side, I am writing again the units. First is the kg, after the kg, it is hg, then is dag, then is gram, then it is decigram, then it is centigram and milligram. For your convenience, I have written this kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Now this kg, you have to convert it into decagram. So kg from the decagram, how many steps it is there? 1, 2. 2 steps towards right. It is 2 steps towards right. 2 steps towards right. So whenever we are moving to the right, 2 steps. So 2 times 0 I will be writing, because I am moving towards the right. Whenever I move in this direction, that is towards the right, I have to multiply it with the 2. Here from the kg, I have to move to the decagram. So I have to move to the 2 steps, 1 and 2 steps. So I will be multiplying this with the 100. So 25 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2500 decagram. Now if I want to convert 5 hectogram, this is hectogram. This hectogram I want to convert it into the dg. Hg, this is the hg. This hectogram I want to convert it into the decigram. This is hg, I want to convert it into this dg. So again I am moving towards the right hand side. How many steps I am moving? 1, 2 and 3 steps. 3 steps. How many steps I am moving towards the right? 3 steps. So I have to multiply it with the 1000. 3 zeros will come. So 5 multiplied by 1000, it would be 5000 dg, decigram. Now let us do some other questions. Suppose I want to convert 500 dg decigram, I want to convert it into decagram. Here decigram, I want to convert it into DAG. The decigram, I want to convert it into DAG. So see, where is DG? It is here, and I want to move here. Now in which direction I am moving? From DG to DAG I am moving in this direction. That is, I am moving towards the left hand side. So here I will be dividing it with the 100 because I am moving 2 steps. So I have to divide it with the 100. So 500 divided by 100, the 0 got cancelled and it will be 5 DAG. So students, you have to keep in mind, whenever these problems come in the rough, you can write the units and you have to look, you have to see in the question what is asked. If you are moving in this direction, that is from left to the right, you have to multiply with the 10. And whenever you are moving in this direction, that is from right to the left, you have to divide in each step by 10. Now let us do some of the word problems which is given in the exercise 10C. It is on page number 147. On the page number 147, some of the word problems are given. So let us do that word problems. Exercise 10C, that is to some of the word problems. Question number 3, you could see in your book, the weight of a baby elephant is 96 kg. What is the weight? The weight of baby elephant. The weight of the baby elephant, it is given, it is 95 kg. So we have to find it weights in gram. What will be the weight in gram? We have to find the weight in grams. So what will be the weight in grams? Kg, we are converting it into the gram. So we will be multiplying 95 with the 1000 because 1 kg has 1000 grams. So it would be 95,000 gram. Why I have multiplied it with the 1000? Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. That's why I have multiplied 95 with the 1000. Let us do some more word problems. That is the question number 4. For Rachna's birthday, let us do the question number 4. What is given in the question number 4? For Rachna's birthday, 3250 gram cake was ordered. The weight of cake in kilogram is, how much cake was ordered in Rachna's birthday? Rachna's birthday cake ordered was, it is given in the question, it is 3250 gram. This much cake was ordered in the Rachna's birthday. So we have to find the weight. Weight is given in the gram. We have to find the weight in kg. So here we are converting the smaller unit into the larger one. So we will be dividing it with the 1000. Why? Because I am converting the smaller unit into larger unit. Whenever we are converting the smaller into larger unit, we have to divide it. So 0 0 got cancelled. Now 325 divided by 100, it will be 3.25 kg. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.